Assalamu alaikum students, how are you? Today our topic is organ and organism. We know that different tissues combine to make an organ, and these different organs work in coordination to form an organism. An organism is something that is able to survive on its own. For different organs of the plants are leaves, stem, roots, flowers. A leaf is a plant organ whose job is to make food by the process of photosynthesis. And this leaf is made up of different types of tissues that are shown in this diagram. We can see that it is made up of photosynthetic tissue, protective tissue, xylem tissue, phloem tissue. Roots are also organ of plant. The job of the root is to hold the plant in the ground, and they absorb water and dissolved minerals from the soil and take it to the leaf where it is required for the process of photosynthesis. And they take this transport of water and dissolved minerals is carried out by the xylem tissue that are present in roots, stems and leaves. These are the xylem and phloem tissues. And the tips of the roots are sensitive to gravity. That's why roots grow towards the soil in the downward direction, that is towards the gravity. Next organ of the plant is stem. This is the stem, and the stem is the main support of the plant above the ground. It keeps the plant upright and holds the leaves so that they can get maximum amount of sunlight that is needed for the process of photosynthesis by the leaf and exchange of gases with the surrounding air through stomata. Flowers appear at the end of the stem so that insects can see them and get to them easily. Next important organ of the plant is flowers. Flowers are of different sizes and different shapes. And the flowers are very important because they contain male and female reproductive organs of the plant, and mostly the flowers are brightly colored and scented to attract insects for the process of pollination. Students, next we have to do test yourself. Question number 1, what is an organ? The answer will start from this line. Different tissues combine to make an organ. These organs together make a plant, which is an organism. An organism is something that is able to survive on its own. A leaf is a plant organ whose job is to make food by photosynthesis. A leaf is made from these tissues, that is xylem, phloem, photosynthetic, protective tissue on the upper surface of the leaf, this protective tissue on the lower surface of the leaf. Question number 2. Name 3 plant organs and say what each one does. We will discuss the 3 organs of the plants, that is root, stem and flowers. The answer will start from this line for roots, that is their job is to hold plant in the ground up to here where they grow down into the soil. And for stem, we have to start from this line. The stem keeps the plant upright up to this line, and flowers appear at the end of the stem so insects can get to them easily up to this. And this is the third organ we will discuss about flower. We will say that flowers are contain male and female reproductive organs, and flowers are usually brightly colored and scented to attract insects up to this. Thank you.